RYOBI 40V HP Brushless 2-stage 24-inch snowblower assembly and start guide for model RY40870. Unpacking. Carefully remove the product and any accessories from the box. Inspect the tool carefully to make sure no breakage or damage occurred during shipping. Do not discard the packing material until you have carefully inspected and satisfactorily operated the tool. If any parts are damaged or missing, please call 1-800-525-2579 for assistance. Installing the upper handle assembly. Loosen and remove the bolts from the 4 handle knobs. Carefully slide the upper handle into the rails on the snowblower. Align the holes in the upper handle with the holes in the rails at the desired height. Insert the bolts through the holes in the handle and the rails. The handle has 5 hole settings for height adjustment. Make sure you use the same height setting for each side. Install the handle knobs and tighten to secure. Repeat for the other side. Installing skid shoes. Align bolts with holes on auger housing. Place skid shoe over the bolt and secure with washer and nut. Repeat for second bolt. Set skid shoe at desired height. Tighten securely with wrench. Repeat for the other side. Installing the chute deflector and support pole. Slide the slots in the support pole over the studs on the blower housing. Install nuts and torque to 18 foot-pounds. Insert the M8 bolt into the upper holes on the support pole. Torque to 18 foot-pounds. Place the chute deflector onto the support pole. Insert torque screws through the holes in support pole and chute deflector. Tighten securely using the wrench provided. Securing the cables. One power cable is located on the right side of the unit, and the 3 chute and deflector cables are located on the left side of the unit. Route the power cable through the cord retainer on the right side of the handle. Repeat this step on the left side of the handle with the 3 chute and deflector cables. Next, route the chute and deflector cable across the bottom of the unit and into the lower cord retainer at the bottom of the support pole. Once secured in the lower retainer, direct the 3 cables upward and into the final cord retainer at the top of the support pole. Route the deflector cable first and then the 2 chute cables. Insert the deflector cable into the cord clip on top of the chute deflector. Align indicator line with cord clip. Installing and removing the battery pack. To install the battery pack, raise the battery cover. Align the raised ribs on the battery pack with grooves in the battery port and place the battery pack in the snowblower. Lower the battery cover. To use the blower, there must be at least 2 40-volt batteries on either the left side, pair A, or the right side, pair B. For optimal performance, install 4 40-volt battery packs of 4 amp hours or greater is recommended. To remove the battery pack, raise the battery cover. Press and hold the battery latch button at the bottom of the battery pack. Remove the battery pack. See control panel video to see how to start and stop the RYOBI 40V HP Brushless 2-stage 24-inch snowblower. Need additional help? Call RYOBI customer service at 1-800-525-2579.